Hi guys and girls, Trey Hughes here, and I'd like to welcome you all to the Green World vlog brought to you by Hughes Gardening, my small landscaping business here in southeastern North Carolina. So in this series, we're hoping to engage the public and ignite their love for the outdoors and the environment once again. We're going to be covering all topics related to what we do on a daily basis, which is landscaping, general maintenance and installation and design. And we're going to just explore and document the work that we do. Now in the future, as this vlog develops and the content gets more robust, we hope to showcase different businesses in different areas across the country that do similar work to what we do over here in southeastern North Carolina. And so, I'd like to welcome you all, and I hope you enjoy the content that we're gonna put out. We're gonna be talking about grass, talking trees, a lot of them. We're talking annuals, a lot of them. Design and installation. Oh yeah, we're talking irrigation, we're talking plumbing, repairs and new installation. So we're talking debris disposal, and we're also going to cover mulch, pine straw, and other types of ground cover that might be used on your property. But anyway, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching again. As always, with any video that you see on YouTube, like and subscribe if it's a good one, because it helps guys like me out developing this operation and giving you more content. So we're gonna be down here in southeastern North Carolina. We're gonna be doing our thing. We're gonna try to educate you guys and expose you guys to some content about nature. Mother Nature is one of our greatest gifts. We need to preserve her, and we also need to take care of her. And so that is what we're trying to do. So thank you very much for coming. This video is really just an introduction into what we plan on doing. From here, you guys are gonna get it all, including crazy day-to-day operation. At the very least, I think you'll find it interesting. So y'all have a wonderful day, and thanks for tuning in, and keep your eye out for our first real topic-centered video. So thank you, and have a good day.